Alright, welcome back. So today I'm going to go over how to use Fruity Granulizer. I'm going to load a sample and I'll go over all of these knobs and show you some examples of what they do. So I found this sample on Looperman. Now I really like this sample and I think I'll be able to create some pretty interesting effects with these knobs. So I'm going to play around with some knobs and see what I can create. So what I've done here, I've turned my transients to detect and turned the hold all the way up, so I've got these little markers sort of act as grains. Now the grain spacing, I've turned this up to 105%. Then this attack smooths out the transitions between these transients. And then this wave spacing is trying to keep it sort of in time a bit. Now that doesn't matter, I'll show you how you can deal with that in a second. But I've got this pan stereo separation at 23%, this randomness at 0 currently, and I'm going to change that in a second. But that's about all I've done, and here's what this is sounding like. Now I'm going to up this randomness and you can see really quickly what sort of crazy effects we can get. So I'm going to change it to 25%. I'm going to turn this attack down just so you can get more of a jarring effect here. I'm going to turn this back up and then turn the randomness up maybe 75%. Might keep it at 50 maybe. Now, I've changed some of these around, got the pan and the randomness is a bit down, I've upped the depth a little bit, kept these mainly the same, but I've changed this key to and turned this loop off. I've changed key to transient, so what that's going to do, so if I play C5, it'll start from the beginning, that's transient there, and then if I play a note further up, or further down, further up, it's going to start from different positions, which means with this loop off I can play a chord and it'll be playing in heaps of different positions at once. So I'll give you a little example of that. What I'm going to do, I'm going to open up an Edison and I'm going to mess around with this. So I've got my pattern here. I'm just going to chop it up so that it's all nice and in line. So you can see we've got a little bit of overhang there. I'm going to make unique as sample, yes. I'm going to drag that out here. And I'm going to open up channel settings and hit stretch, that's good. Then go 4 bars, then the stretch button, make sure that's up on here, and then stretch this out to 8 bars. So what I've done, I've got the original sample out here, just laid it under. Turn the volume down on this a bit so you can sort of still hear it. Then I've added a reverb, delay and a halftime just to manipulate the sample so it's sounding a bit nicer. And here's what I've got. Here's the granular sample by itself. So it is a bit of a mess, but it's all about trying to find that groove in there. So that's just about all there is to Fruity Granulizer. You can definitely expand on this, take the sample out, mess around with it, affect it in other ways. Thanks for watching. I hope you experiment with this. This is pretty interesting. You can definitely do a lot with it. So thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you later.